I am wearing a shirt. It's just so hot. I mean, I literally just got out of the shower. My hair is wet. I'm not gonna even dry my hair. And I can't even have my vanity lights on because it's literally so hot. You know I have to have my personal fan. Guys, it's literally a heat wave here in the Bay. I'm not gonna lie, I was trying to look all cute for this video. I literally just had a full face of makeup on and I am literally melting. I mean, if you're from the Bay or from the city and want to hit 75, 80, we're like dying. We don't know how to act in like hot weather because it's extreme for us. We have a consistency of like 65, 70 for our weather. So it's like, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon and it's 90 degrees. 90? Dude, I feel like I'm in like a desert or something. It's so hot. Salads, fruits, smoothies, yogurt. It's like refreshing. Who wants to eat hot food? Like soup? No thanks. We went out to the pier. We went out for a bike ride. It was beautiful. I wore a thin sweater and it was like so hot, but it was such a beautiful morning until now. It's like still scorching hot. So instead of filming all these serious makeup tutorials, I thought it'd be kind of fun to switch it up. So as you guys can read from the title, it's 5-minute crafts. I'm pretty sure that most of you guys seen these videos. They're basically little ads or video clips, not just makeup and beauty hacks. They have clothing hacks, everyday lifestyle. They have tons of videos with hacks. I mean, fixing a ripped pair of jeans, creating things. I mean, anything you can think of, they've actually filmed some sort of hack video. So it's really fun to watch. It's addicting. But some of the videos you watch, you're like, really? So today I thought it would be so fun to test out these hacks to see whether it works or not. Okay guys, it's getting kind of hot, so I'm going to use this Kenzoki Lotus Water Spray. It's just like a mist to refresh. It smells so good. I wouldn't necessarily use this as a setting spray, but more like a refresher, which is perfect for today because it is blazing hot. So there are going to be a few videos, 1, 2, 3, 4 videos. So I'm going to try 4 hacks to see if it works. I wonder if I should do this all in order so I have like a full face on, or should I wipe it off every time? So the first video we're going to do is lashes. The hack with this is to use Vaseline, heat up the tools, and your lashes will be perky after you apply on the mascara. As you guys can clearly see, I have like no lash in this department. Like seriously, it's like nothing. So let's go ahead and watch the video. Okay, simple so far. Vaseline. All right, so we're gonna get a spoolie and apply it onto the lashes. Mascara. Ooh. Oh, I'm so scared. I have like no lashes. Really? See, now that's scary. I don't want to do it afterwards because I feel like it just gets all clumpy. All right, let's see if this works. Vaseline, spoolie. Ooh, is this spoolie clean? All right. Ooh. Looks like we have a good amount on. Oh, it feels weird. I feel like the lady in the video has an advantage because her lashes are so long. I'm just afraid once I curl them, it's gonna like tuck in, you know? Because my lashes are just so short. My lashes feel nourished. Time to heat this sucker up. I actually didn't know how long to heat it for, but it's kind of warm. Oh! It's warm. I hope my lashes don't rip off. No way! My lashes are perky. But the question is, how long will it stay up? So far, so good. I think this hack won. It's getting hot. Let's move on to video number 2. Cut crease. So you're gonna apply on one shadow, pretty easy. You're gonna take a spoon and put concealer and basically create a, really, it didn't even touch her crease. It was literally just on her lids. Maybe this isn't a cut crease? Oh, I see. If you look closely, I had to watch it again. It actually touches the top, but it's more on the lid versus the whole crease. I'm gonna take my trusty old 27, is it 27? Let's take the trusty old 27 Melt Cosmetic palette and let's just jump into Moxie. She just literally applies it on, well, I don't know, she just kind of, she had a weird shape that she did, huh? My lashes are still perky. I didn't really put it on like the same shape she did. I just brushed it on. Taking a spoon, she literally just applies it on the tip or the first quarter. So let's see if this works because everybody has a different eye shape and I don't know if this is gonna go wrong, if it's even gonna touch the shadow or go on top. Really? Ooh. Yeah, look at that. It's just like all over the place. Look at that. It went like way over. I'm gonna take a little bit of that Crime Fighter and apply it on like what she did. Just right across the lids. I have to say this hack was a bust. Everybody's eye shape is different. Normally, and to be fair, she literally applied it on here, which actually touched right here. You see that concealer, the crease, but she literally only applied it on there. So yeah, I don't know what was going on in that video, but that was a bust. I guess for the sake of the video, I'm gonna make it a little cleaner looking. I'm gonna do it as close as her, what she did, which was kind of like a weird shape, just kind of like a winged eye. Ooh, so I actually like applying on makeup with a sponge. It doesn't look like, is her sponge even dampened? Clearly she's pretty neutral with a little bit of olivey undertones, and after she applied that illuminating primer or was it illuminating serum with the foundation, her skin is just glowy. So she looks kind of pink, but I could understand the glowy effect. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and apply on a little serum. This is by Ren Cosmetics. I love this stuff so much. Let's drop, oops, 2 drops. And it seemed like she used like illuminating type of product. So I'm gonna bend the rules a little bit, only because I don't wanna look really pinky and not use a foundation because her skin looks so glowy anyways. I'm gonna use this Drunk Elephant, which is the De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution. So let's go ahead and apply on, oh, it's brand new. Oops, let's do 2 pumps of this. I'm a big fan of actually mixing primers and illuminating primers with foundations or even like a BB cream tinted moisturizer. But to be real, this is my first time using this Drunk Elephant bronzer or De-Bronzy. And the reason why I chose that is because I know I got a little color from the summer that I didn't want to look pink and weird looking. My last video, I think the foundation was a little too light for me and I looked a little bit too light basically. Would you look at that? I have some fallout here. Oh, this is the look and I'm not too mad at it. To be honest, this is something I do. I like to mix things together, so I thought it was kind of cool to see if it works together like in a sponge. I usually just put 2 products together, I'll mix it up. Pretty much the same, but yeah. All right, this is the last and final hack. And I basically don't have a broken palette like this, but I do have products that are kind of like soft and creamy like this, as if it was broken and I kind of put it back together. Now this is gonna be weird. We're gonna use the spoon again and apply it on. And as she applied it on, it looked like perfect. I'm kind of afraid because how she applied it on with the spoon, it literally just gave like 1 streak. I mean, for me, I like to blend it out a little bit, make it softer, but hey, if you're looking for that streak of highlight, this may be it for you. So let's grab the spoon and I guess just grab some product. Yeah, that's not what we're going for. But I guess if you were stranded somewhere and you needed to put on highlighter, I would still use my finger or my sponge. This streak though, yeah. I would rather just use my fingers or a sponge as an applicator. So again, so I have to say, 2 out of the 4 hacks I did was actually great and something that I will continue doing. But the other hacks, it was fun to try, but I don't know. So there's actually one more hack that I can't find a video, but I'm gonna try it with you guys now. So basically, she used one product to contour her face, and it was weird because her complexion was more of a neutral, cool, and the color she used, it just was like really strong. But I'm gonna give it a try. If I can find that video, I'm definitely gonna insert that clip. But she basically just used a color that was like a peachy color like this, maybe even lighter. So I'm just gonna try this. Oh, this is pretty much the same color. Okay, yeah. What did she do? She like highlighted and contoured. It was so weird. No, she just contoured. That's right. Okay. I don't know. I feel like my nose is just like dirty. I just look so orange. So I hope you guys enjoyed my 5-minute craft. I know I look a bit silly right now, but again, this is all for pure entertainment. I just thought it would be fun and kind of switch up the video content. So I'm sorry if I look really weird in this like one colored on my face right now, but you're gonna have to live with it for the next 30 seconds because I'm gonna host my end of summer giveaway, guys. I'm going to have 2 lucky winners. So what's in my summer giveaway, you say? Too Faced Born This Way powder. I have 2 different shades. Of course, sunscreen protection is a must. This is Super Goop. This is a eye cream with SPF. This is a 3-in-1 kind of lips, hands, and face sunscreen. You guys know I always use Design My Eyebrows as my brow product go-to. I always put the links down below for you guys. It's not sold everywhere anymore, but I do recommend checking your local The Face Shop. These were actually purchased overseas because they were available. So I'm going to include my favorite eyebrow pencil, the shades that I use, number 3 and number 5. This is more like my summer, winter, and sometimes I do mix them together. Some eye pigment from Milk Makeup. You have a bronzy gold color, and you also have like this icy frosty blue. And some lashes. These are Sephora collection lashes. They are amazing, affordable, and they're really pretty. I just looked in the mirror, guys, and I'm like, I look so silly. And you know what's even funnier? I have earrings here. I took these off because I was cleaning them. I am so glowy, guys, and it's so hot. Whew. As always, everything will be linked down in the info box for you guys. Rule number 1, you're gonna go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below where you guys went for the summer. I know we can't travel, but if it was to the park, to the beach, someone's backyard at your family's house, still social distancing, I just wanted to know what you guys been doing this past summer. Number 3, if you guys want to, it's not needed, you can go ahead and follow me on my IG. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!